I'm Robbie.
And I'm Shay.
And this is Shay and Robbie's Adventures, and we're continuing west to Colorado.
We are on the road again. We just left Iowa. We're in Nebraska. And if we took a right up here on 680, I'd be about 5 minutes from my cousin's house, but we're not going that way. Hence, we are going left. We are on our way to Kearney, Nebraska. What are we doing? Stay tuned.
We are about 3 hours west of where we were this morning. We left. Sorry, a bug just flew right into my, almost hit me in the eye.
I thought you were in a brain fart as to where we were. Council Bluffs, Iowa.
Yeah, we left Council Bluffs, Iowa, pretty much Omaha, Nebraska.
Yeah.
And now we're in.
Oh, there goes the train.
And the train is coming by.
Lots of trains.
I was pronouncing it Kearney. You said it's
Kearney.
Kearney. And there's the the American Automobile Experience. So we figured we'd go check out some cars and break up the drive a little bit today.
Yeah, if you didn't see the episode that we did on the Forney Transportation Museum in Denver, definitely check out that one. My husband just asked me, what's the Lincoln Highway? Oh my goodness gracious. So we are right off of the Lincoln Highway in Nebraska. It was a, don't quote me, 3,300 plus first transcontinental highway set up in the United States, and they have markers all along the Lincoln Highway to show where it once was. So I saw this marker and I said, Lincoln Highway, and he goes, what's that? Oh Lord, have I taught you nothing?
Nothing.
There are so many cool cars here.
This is like the biggest automobile experience thing that we've been to. I mean, this makes like the one that we went into Parker look tiny.
Well, yeah.
And yeah.
I wouldn't say tiny.
Well, There's a lot of cars.
There's a lot of cars here. I haven't even gotten all the way through because I'm a little slower and taking it all in. But one of the coolest things is right behind us. Tell them about it, Robbie.
James Hetfield's cars. There's like 10 of them right here. 10.
Including this custom specialized, it's called Aquarius. I mean, how cool is that thing?
Yeah, so
Jaguar.
just a sea of them down there.
There's just so many.
Thank you, Mr. Hetfield.
This might be my favorite car in here, and I do have a lot of favorites, but this is a 1923 Ford Model T Touring. You know what's really cool about this, and I would hate today? Check it out. No door here. This is a 3-door car. The driver, because they thought it would be hazardous for them to get out into traffic, this was actually not a door. They had to slide out to the other side. Isn't this a unique car?
Well, that is a wrap We go from Pontiacs to Camaros to Model Ts
Fords,
to
my favorite Hudsons. There's a Hudson convertible in there that was awesome.
Broncos and hot rods and Hudsons, and
He spent more time with the newer stuff, so 70s and above. I am nerding out over the turn of the century, 1910s, 1920s. The really old stuff is what I want to see. And unfortunately, their original collection, well, it's kind of a long story, but an unscrupulous man came along and a lot of it is gone now. And that's really sad. I would have loved to have come here pre-COVID. But if you're ever traveling on I-80, super quick stop off the road, and definitely worth it. It was only, what, 12 bucks a person to get in there?
yeah.
Absolutely worth every penny.
It is the next day, and we're at the Harlan County Lake.
Good job.
Out in the middle of nowhere, Nebraska. Actually, almost Kansas. We're like really close to the border. Like a few miles.
Really close.
But Shay has some little history to share with you about this little lake.
If you want to rotate right over behind my left shoulder here, look at that. That is the dam. That was built after a major flood came through this entire area and wiped out the town of Republican City and took almost 100 lives with it, unfortunately. It was, from what I saw and read, was up to 10 feet high coming through here. Now they, well, not now, but way back then, Congress approved putting in another man-made lake, which seems to be the theme of our trip, right behind me. And so they created Harlan County Lake and the dam to prevent this from ever happening again. And what I saw online was that there's actually 6 dams that were built along the river to prevent any more major flooding. But it looks like the town of Republican City actually got moved. So we're gonna go check that out later. So here's my idea. Today is Thursday, so tomorrow's Friday. It's supposed to be a high of 93. I think we should do the same thing we did in our other video, if you saw it, where we were sitting in Lake Michigan. We should come back here and spend some time in the lake because it's going to be hot. Saturday's going to be 99.
And the highlight of today, Stormore Ford, Prairie Dog Town. Look at all these little guys.
Aw, aren't they cute? They're black-tailed prairie dogs.
Black-tailed prairie dogs, and yep, there's a crap ton of them out here. They're all standing up looking because there's humans now.
Oh, here's a close guy right here. You see him?
Where?
Right here, right beyond that little.
Oh
leaf.
yeah,
I might come over here.
he's right there. Oh yeah, his tail's. He's like, oh, they're looking at me.
Make some noise. Ew, ew. I don't know what they make. What do they say?
They make prairie dog noises.
There it goes.
They're like a little whistle chirp.
I love prairie dogs.
Oh.
Oh, I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but that was awesome.
Yeah, they probably will. It might
Those
be.
two are hollering.
Man, they got a big town here. All right, Robbie has to go back to work. So we'll see you at the beach tomorrow. Well, we made it to the lake on lunch break. So we're gonna hang out here for a few hours and yeah, enjoy the nice cool water and I don't know, Jesus. Eat some food, chill. We're on this side of the lake.
Woo!
And way out there in the distance is where we're camping.
The marina is first, and then we're behind the marina.
Yeah.
We're not on the water this time.
And just from doing this on our last video, I know you cannot see it. You can probably see trees out there, but that's where we're at.
You have the ability to zoom.
I did zoom, and it's just blurry. You can't see nothing.
Oh,
It's
bummer.
too far.
All right, well, use your imagination.
Shay's gonna see how far she can venture out.
So here's what you have to do. I might be too far away from the mic.
You're good.
Okay. Here's what you have to do when you're in water where you can't see your feet. You go step, 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 and move. Step, 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 because at any point, it could drop off and you're going right in the drink and losing your sunglasses.
Work is done, and we're going to the beach bar.
I just got paid. It's Friday night. We're gonna go check out this place because when we were here yesterday, there are no hours of operation on the building anywhere around it.
Yeah,
So it looks like the open sign is open. It still doesn't look open.
Oh, we'll see.
Let's go try to open the door.
That was the beach bar.
That was a cool bar. We met some awesome people from Nebraska.
Yeah, Lincoln, Nebraska.
Super cool family. Wish we were staying here longer. We'd totally hang with them.
But we decided to leave, and now we're going to the North Shore Marina and getting some food.
Yeah.
Time to eat. I'm hungry. Well, we've been driving for about, what, 2 hours now?
2 hours, I believe.
2 hours. And one attraction that we missed on the way east
My fault.
is the world's largest easel.
Yep.
And now we're headed west and we're going by it. So we decided this is a good spot to take a break and actually see it.
And I happen to like the artist that is displayed. If you're American, we say Van Gogh. If you're European and pronounce it correctly, Van Gogh. So we are going to see our Americanized version, Van Gogh.
Well, there it is in all of its glory. Westbound we go. Well, we've made it home. It's 89 degrees, but guess what? It's bearable.
It actually, yeah, it's not that sticky, muggy.
Humidity.
Guess what? No bugs.
Yeah, no bugs at our house.
Yay.
But yeah, here's the RV up front.
Woohoo!
And yeah, we're gonna wrap this one up.
What are you doing tonight, Robbie?
I'm going to go run around Rampart Reservoir for 14 miles in the dark. It'll be fun.
You have fun with that. I want to be chilling in the RV.